Hey there, it's Sarah with WTI, and I am obsessed with plants. I want to put them everywhere in my house, but that's just not realistic. It's so difficult sometimes to find the right spot. That is until I found this space-saving tension rod plant stand. So, just like you would imagine a tension rod for your shower curtain, this works the same way. It is stable at the top of the ceiling of the room and at the bottom at the floor. And it holds so many plants and it's fully adaptable. So you can place the little shelves wherever you want them. It twists 360 degrees around, it's totally customizable. It even has an area for hanging plants. It's sturdy, it's sleek, and you can put it right in the corner by a window if you'd like. You can hold 6 plants on this plant stand plus room for hanging, all in a very small amount of space. So for a tiny footprint, you can have a ton of plant friends wherever you want in your house. Very, very simple to put together, straightforward, easy to follow direction. This plant stand from Yuanjimi is a dream come true for the plant obsessed. You are going to be able to put so many different plants here, and each one of the shelves has a raised ledge. So not only is it sturdy and can hold weight, but it has that ledge. So if you spill water or some soil from your plant, it's not going to get on your floor. So it keeps everything neat and tidy. It's totally versatile and customizable. Can you tell how much I love it? This is such a great find. You are not going to be disappointed, and that is my point of view.